Okay guys, I'm doing this for like the first time in my life, but I'm gonna voice over these interactions because I'm like really bored and I just think that it will be like really fun. I wanna voice over like 5 interactions, so yeah, enjoy. Can you swim? V, can you swim? What is Roger even teaching you? Well, can you? No, Tuddles, I cannot swim.
I mean,
Hey Poppy, you're our new lucky winner today.
Yuffie! What do I win?
A brand new car.
Oh my goddesses, really?
Now, Poppy, does it look like we can have a car here?
Oh yeah, I don't even know how to drive.
TW, loud noises put your volume down not a little bit, you will regret it. RIP headphones users.
Whoa! I could go for some cookies or hot cocoa.
You could talk with Tegan about that.
Oh yeah, would you want to join me for SKY? Oh nice, you got a lot of drink or eat.
So, are you busy after this?
What? Oh, you're talking for me.
Yes, I'm talking to you.
No, not really at all. What do you need?
Just help moving around supplies.
Oh, alright, of course.